Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to a World Coin Hunt. I've designated this World Coin Hunt 55. I firstly have here a Belgian 20 franc coin from 1996. On this side we can see a portrait of Albert II. On the reverse side we have a value of 20 francs, the year and also the country name. The mintage for this coin is 3,133,000. The second coin shows Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It also has the year. It's a 1976 coin and it's from the Isle of Man. On the reverse here we have the country name, the value and the Triskelion from above the Isle of Man map. So you've got the Triskelion there and underneath it you have a map of the Isle of Man. For this 1976 10p the mintage is 2,800,000. Next we have an Indian coin. There are two coins here of 2 rupees. One is from 2014, the second one is from 2015. On the obverse side we have the Ashoka lion pillars and the country name. On the reverse side we have the year, the value and the weight is. You also have, is it just the, yeah, it's the Indian character for two, I believe. There are no mintage figures for either of these coins. I believe they have the dots mint mark, but I'm not 100% sure. It's very worn where the mint marks are. Oh, excuse me. Next we have a rupiah, a single rupiah from India. Or is there two of them? There's two of them. They are 1 rupee rather than the 2 rupees that we've just seen, and this one is from 2001 and 1993. One shows the Ashoka lions on one side as pillars, and on the second side you have the year, the value and the wheat ears. Again, as with the 2 rupee coins, there are no mintage figures available. And they come 2 by 2. Here we have 2 more coins of the same value. One is from Romania there, and the second one is also Romania, and I'll show you the reverse. It's the 10 Bani coin. The 2 years are 2017 and 2018. There are no mintage figures available for either of these years. Next we have from Denmark a 25 ore coin. Its hold is from 1978. On this side you have the country name and the value. On the other side we have a crowned monogram of Marguerite II and an oak stem and the year. The mintage for this 1978 coin is 17,444,000. Next coin we have is from Canada. It is a 25 cent from 2007. However, it is commemorating the upcoming Winter Olympics that took place in Vancouver in 2010. On this side we have the Queen and we have the Olympic symbols. And then on the reverse we have the oak leaf, sorry, the maple leaf, and then in front of that you have a person delivering a curling stone down the ice. The mintage for this 2007 Olympic coin, Winter Olympic coin, is 22 million. There is a whole set of these coins and I'd love to collect them. It's one of the things I'm trying to get when I get some money together. The next coin is from Yugoslavia. On this time we have the coat of arms on this side along with the country name. On the reverse, come on Steve, get hold of it, we have a 20 para coin from 1965. We have the year and the value on this side. However, what we don't have is a mintage for this coin. Next one is from Indonesia, and we have the year, the phoenix, which is the coat of arms, and the country name. It is an aluminium coin from 2003, and on the back we have the value of 200 rupiah, and we have the minor bird. There are no mintages for this coin, and it is an aluminium based coin. Next is a Greek coin. It's a 10 drachmae from 1976. And the portrait is Democritus. He was a philosopher who was between 460 and 370 BC. On the reverse, we have the value, we have the year, and we have the atomic symbol, or the atom. The mintage for this coin is 76,816,000. Next coin that we have is from the Bank of Indonesia. It's a 1,000 rupiah coin from 2010. On this side we have the value, a coat of arms, and the country name. And on the reverse we have an Angkalung. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a bridge. There's also a thing out there, and one of them says it's a musical instrument, but it doesn't look like a West Japanese musical instrument to me, but I could well be wrong. The mintage for this coin is 719 million. And the final coin of the second stack is a 1 yen coin from Japan from 1985. We have the value and Chinese symbols on this, Japanese symbols on this side, and on this side we have the bamboo shoot. This 1985 1 yen coin has a mintage of 837,150,000. Now we have a short stack on of the last ones, and there's I think 4 coins left. So the next coin up is a French coin. It's a 2017 coin from 1980. On this side we see Marianne and also the name of the country. On the reverse side we see the 20 centimes, which is the value, the year, and we have olive stem and wheat ears. The mintage for this 1980 coin is 20,010,011. We have a coin with a portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. This is a 1980 coin from New Zealand, and it is a 10-cent coin. On this side we have the Queen's portrait, we have the country and the year. On the reverse we have the valuation and the tribal mask. Now the tribal mask is a Korad mask. And that's Korura. Then the second name is Carsel, it looks like, and then mask. It's a tribal mask from New Zealand. The mintage of this coin, the mintage for this coin is 28 million. And the last two coins are on the next page over. First one of which is this coin here, which is a Swedish coin, which is 50 ore from 1984. On this side we have the country name and also the value. On the reverse we have a crowned monogram with the year, and the monogram is of Carl Gustaf XVI. This 1984 coin has a mintage of 27,446,585. And the last one is a little bit battered and worn, and a bit dark and a bit... However, it is a German coin from 1982 from the 50 Pfennigs, so it's a West German coin. It has a D mint mark, and it is lady planting oat saplings on this side. On the reverse we have the value, we have the D mint mark and the country name. The mintage for this 1982 50 Pfennig coin is 21,540,000. That concludes this hunt. If you've enjoyed it, can you please give me the thumbs up? To go alongside that, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you think I deserve it, I would love to have your subscription. I'm trying very hard to get 250 subscribers by Christmas this year. I'm currently at around about 173 or so towards the end of May. I do a minimum of 4 videos, but more recently I've been doing 5 videos a week. So minimum 4 videos, so I hope you'll find something that you want to watch and enjoy. If you're having a hunt, if you're having a coin hunt, you can find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And thank you for watching this video. And until we meet up again, which I hope will be very shortly on this channel, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.